Let's make a quick and delicious chicken and green bean stir fry. This popular Chinese takeout dish features crisp green beans and tender chicken coated in a thick, glossy, savory sauce. It's great for a quick, healthy meal or easy meal prep, and it takes less than 30 minutes to make. To start, we will prepare all of our ingredients. I will be using chicken breast for this recipe, but you can also use chicken thighs. We are going to slice our chicken into 1/4 inch thick, bite-sized pieces. Be sure to cut the chicken into even, consistent slices so the pieces cook evenly. Next, we'll marinate the chicken with cornstarch, water, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and vegetable oil. Then set this aside to marinate for at least 15 minutes. Next, we will prepare the green beans, also known as string beans. Since these are fresh, we will want to thoroughly wash and rinse them. Trim off the ends of the green beans and then cut them in half. And then set them aside. I like adding yellow onion for a touch of sweetness. This ingredient is optional. It adds another aromatic layer to the dish. But if you want a quicker recipe, skip the onion. Then finally mince up the fresh garlic. For the stir-fry sauce, combine chicken broth, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix until the sugar has dissolved and set aside. Then, in a large wok on medium-high heat, add a tablespoon of neutral oil. Once the wok is hot, add the chicken and spread the pieces out into a single layer. Sear the chicken for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Then remove and set it aside. Heat another tablespoon of oil on medium heat. Then cook the green beans for 6 minutes while tossing them occasionally. Push the green beans to the side, add another tablespoon of oil, and then saute the onion and garlic for 1 minute until softened. Next, mix the sauce again before pouring it into the pan. Let the sauce simmer for 1 minute or until it has thickened. Then add back the chicken and toss together. We will finish the dish with sesame oil and toss until everything is evenly coated before serving. And for a complete meal, pair this dish with a bowl of steamed white rice. The green beans are super crisp and the chicken is perfectly tender. You're gonna love this dish. Enjoy!